In the last video I talked about we can go that way, and it's a guaranteed 20 miles. Well, that's where we're going, so strap in. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. We're going uphill right now. Oh, not what I needed. I'm halfway up the hill though. But once I get up here, I know I got a big downhill on the other side. So I'm looking forward to that. We kind of made it. There's still a little tiny bit of uphill here. Oh, that's right. This isn't the big one. Shit. Going uphill, pushing, pushing. I can do it. Oh, it hurts. Woo! Oh, I made it to the top. Oh. We are almost done with this stretch, and we're over 10 miles now. This clear here. My knees said nope. How far? See if we can get it all the way up there. We're like 12 plus miles into this right now. I'm so close to the side of the road. The overgrown grass is tickling me. Steak knife. Get that out of the road before somebody gets hurt on it. Runs over it. So we're gonna put that right in there so we can dispose of it properly, not on the side of the road. 14.2 miles. I'm starting to feel good. I'm getting a second wind. Let's go. Today is road finds day. We found a big ass winter glove. That's a new glove too. That hasn't been used much. Wish we could find the other one. Let's get turned around here. Oh, this bike's heavy. Oh, God. Ah! I just got a pedal spike to the shin. Oh, that sucks. Whew. That hurt. Owie! Well, we found another road find, and it is a very expensive roll of vinyl tape, which I use all the time. We are finding so much stuff today. Well, let's get this tape in the bag. What else are we gonna find? What the hell is this? Combination padlock. But we'll take it home. WD-40 the thing. See if we can figure out the code. And yeah, let's keep moving. I gotta get my miles. As many of them as I can get, which I'm feeling good. We're at 16.33 miles. All right, well, I want to thank you all for making it this far. And if you did make it this far, why not smash the like button with a frying pan? Tickle the subscribe button with a feather or a taser, one or the other. Comment. And woo, we will see you on the next mile.